Hey guys, it's Damian. I'm back with another one. Today I have one of the best AirPod Pro tools I've ever gotten from DHgate. As you guys can see, it comes with the Apple logo, and at the bottom you have the serial number, which we're going to check out later on in the video. Right now, just going over the unboxing. It comes with this wrap. Then we're going to peel the two back tabs right at the back of the box, and then after that we're going to get into the AirPods and the pairing. And we're into the unboxing. As you guys can see, you know how the unboxing is of an AirPod on Apple products. You do have some paperwork here, and then as we get into the AirPods, you can see it comes with this jacket, or this translucent jacket. It didn't come with the pull tabs on it, but that's pretty much fine. Then heading over to the earpiece or the exchanging tips, you can see that it didn't have the dock that you could place them, though, just everywhere, which was kind of odd for me, but I guess that's fine for anyone else. And then you do have a lightning to USB-C cable to charge it. Here is the pairing, and this is how it sounds. Upon holding it, I do feel the weight of how the AirPods should feel. Pairing it was pretty easy and simple, like how the originals are. Now that it's all paired, I was really surprised about the sound quality of these. Like, the bass hits way better than my AirPod 3s that I got from Apple. And ANC works flawlessly, transparency mode works flawlessly. Like, you're really getting a real one-to-one with these AirPods. Like, these are the best ones I've gotten so far. Last but not least, we're going to go over to check the serial number. As you guys can see, even in settings, it does check out. But we're going to go check it in the Apple serial number checker as well. And as you can see here, it does show that it has warranty to February 22nd, 2026. So if you do plan to resell or keep this for yourself, just know that everything for these pass as legit and pass as the originals would. All in all, I'll say these are a solid 9 over 10. The weight feels right, the sound quality is amazing, all the features work, and the link will be in the description as well. And I hope you guys did like this video. Please subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.